have 2 long sleeve 12-month onesies.
2 big onesies. 12 months, isn't that kind of getting in that range where like you might start putting on pants at this point, or you know, I don't know.
Maybe.
Y'all tell me. When does it become pants time? I'm gonna say around a year though would definitely be pants time.
Well, she's got a little bodysuit.
Yeah.
Maybe we should. Well, why don't we list this one?
You want to list this one?
Yeah, we'll make this one for the store.
So we're gonna list this one for sale, folks. Check us out. Etsy.com. Vivid Prism tie-dye. Link in the description.
Vivid Prisms.
Yep. Vivid Prisms tie-dye. Link in the description of our channel. Check us out. We try not to plug it too much.
I want the whatever design I do, like the spiral, I want it to continue on to the sleeve, so I'm gonna pull them down by the sides, so that way the
pattern all comes out.
Yeah.
Unilaterally.
You'll get what I'm saying.
Yep.
So,
We don't do a whole lot of long sleeves, believe it or not, people. Like, we do mostly short sleeve stuff.
yeah. Maybe we should look into long sleeve shirts. I've never really thought about that. We don't really wear long sleeve shirts where we're from.
No. I didn't even check to see what router we're on either. If this is just terrible on the live side, people, y'all let me know.
Y'all let us know for next time, because we will do that again. Do lives again.
Yeah, if everyone enjoys this, it's going to become like a pretty much daily staple, so let us know. We're only going to film this one and do live at the same time because of we don't know how it's going to turn out.
Okay. We'll go ahead and grab our little tub. That way we don't have to come back for them.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I do need some colors.
That one's thick, boy. Look at it. Shake that good?
Yeah.
Why is it so thick?
It's been sitting for ever. Or is this one that... Oh, no, wait. I think this was when I added the sodium alginate
I would
to.
say that's sodium alginate.
I was about to say, it looks too thick to be dye.
Yeah, that's sodium alginate.
But that's okay.
So y'all get ready for a lot of splatter on this one. It ain't gonna work, man.
Why don't you get me a pen?
Ready to roll again. Let's go.
I just want to get this maroon over with now, so I'm just gonna try to
Drizzle it on there.
yes.
We just sprinkle it a little bit, you know, a little
seems
here,
like it's
a
working,
little there.
so whatever.
Sprinkle it on.
Maybe if I
You're trying everything you can not to get this thing clogged up. Look at that. Yeah, I was gonna say don't let all the dye fall down there, because that's when it clogs. You don't have to stick it in as far. Yeah, you see. I think you're good. Alrighty. It happens.
Done with that one for the
It
day.
happens, folks. And there's super queer in this one. The super queer. If you're thinking of thickening your dyes, go with the super
the way to go, for sure.
Yeah, it's more expensive, but it's so much easier to mix.
Was it more expensive?
Just a little bit. But you don't have to, you know, sit there and constantly. You don't have to heat it up. You don't have to constantly shake it. It's a liquid instead of a powder. It just all around.
It's more like a gel. It's got like a hair gel consistency.
It's kind of like Jello after you've made it, but before it's set.
Or hair gel.
Yeah.
See, yeah, this super. I mean, see, I'm impatient. And I should have taken the time to heat the sodium alginate up.
Well, you didn't heat it?
No, we didn't have time.
Oh, man.
We didn't have time.
So in other words, what we just put on this shirt there,
It's like straight
we
sodium.
just dumped powder on it with some dye.
No, I mixed it.
It
I
does.
shook
It won't dissolve,
I
babe.
didn't just.
It only
throw
dissolves
it
if
in
you heat
there.
it. So if you don't heat it, you might as well just be sprinkling it.
Well, honestly, I had forgotten you were supposed to do that at the time.
To our drying rack. To the extended stay.
We're gonna put them way over here.
Way over there where it will sit for the next 24 hours till we're ready to wash it out. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful day.